Good morning, children. I am Sant Prasad, Kendriya Vidyalaya Mau. Today's I shall teach you English class 5th topic Robinson Crusoe, a discover of footprint. This is the picture of Robinson Crusoe. Observe it how he is curious to discover something. Let's start reading. Robinson Crusoe's ship had been destroyed by the sea. He had been alone for many years and longed for company. One day he discovered a footprint on the land. Let's find out what he did then. Dear children, Robinson Crusoe's ship had been destroyed. Destroyed means ruined, wasted. And alone means he was not in a company, but he was alone. And he had many years in a company, but one day came, he became alone. Now, all of us will read the lesson. Be careful for listening. One day, when I was going towards my boat, I was surprised to see the footprint of a man on the sand. I stood amazed. I listened. I looked around me. I could neither hear nor see anything. I went up higher to look down. I went up the shore and down the shore, but it was no good. I could find no other footprint but that one. I went to it again to see if there were any more footprints and to tell if it had been my imagination. But I was not mistaken, for there was exactly the print of a foot, toes, heel, every part of a foot. I could not imagine how it came there. I stayed a long time thinking, but became more and more confused. Dear children, from the passage, same word, destroyed, destroyed. Destroyed means ruined, means wasted. Company, company, company means group, group, group. Find, 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 to discover something. Surprised, surprised, P-R-I-S-E-D, surprised. Its meaning is amazed. A-M-A-Z-E-D, amazed. Both words are given in the passage and the meaning is the same. You can easily understand surprised or wonderful. Imagination. I-M-A-G-I-N-A-T-I-O-N. Imagination. To create new ideas or think in the mind to do something. Once again, imagination means to create new ideas in the mind to do something. Exactly. E-X-A-C-T-L-Y. Exactly. Exact means fully correct. There is no any mistake. At the right. Okay, children, and I hope that you will be able to learn it the same word and you will might be able to read and write. Questions and answers from the passage. Already all of us finished one passage of the lesson, and from the lesson all of us will try to create the questions as well as the answer. The first question is, what was destroyed of Robinson Crusoe? Answer is given in the passage ship, S-H-I-P, ship. Question number 2, what did Robinson discover? What did Robinson discover? Answer, footprint. Question 3, where was Robinson going? Robinson. Answer, Robinson was going toward his ship or boat. Ship or boat. The correct answer is boat. Question number 4, where was the footprint? Where was the footprint? Dear children, the footprint was on the sand. The answer is given on the sand. In this way, you will make the questions and answers also. Opposite words from the passage. Dear children, alone, A-L-O-N-E, alone, its opposite is together. Long, L-O-N-G, long, its opposite is short, S-H-O-R-T, short. The word is find, F-I-N-D, find, its opposite is lose, L-O-O-S-E, lose. The word is day, D-A-Y, day, its opposite is night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Stood, S-T-O-O-D, its opposite is sat. Went, W-E-N-T, went, its opposite is came, C-A-M-E. Good, G-O-O-D, good, its opposite is bad, up, its opposite is down, DOWN. You will learn it and write it.